Quiche isn't sexy. It's an egg trying to be something for breakfast. It's an omelet disguising itself as a savory pie. It's the perky beginning to what should be the lusty end of the day. You could have served lamb, rare, wonderful. Small bites would lead to large bites. Then we'd be holding the lambs with our bones with our hands. And we devour it. And then we devour each other. But you made quiche. One does not devour quiche. One eats quiche in little bitty bites. And by serving me quiche, you're telling me something. Quiche is childish. It's an egg that's immature. Well, we've tried, but we haven't hatched. We've rubbed our sticks together, but there is no spark.